Hello and welcome back. Nothing quite compares to watching Godzilla slowly rise from the ocean to cause a bit of chaos on Odo Island. So today, we will be cooking a recipe from the Godzilla cookbook, Ocean Depths Pudding. We'll start by adding 6 cups of water to a medium saucepan and bringing it to a boil. Sorry for the shaking. Godzilla was overseeing the cooking. Once the water is boiling, we add 1 cup of large tapioca pearls. Cover and bring it back to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to reduce the heat to medium, cover, and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes have passed, we're going to give it a quick stir, cover it again, turn off the heat, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes have passed, we're going to drain the tapioca pearls into a colander and rinse under cold water, making sure we get all the starch out. I forgot to film this, sorry, but make sure you add 1 tablespoon of sugar to 2 cups of cold water. Then add the tapioca pearls and stir. In a small pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil and dissolve 1 packet of Jell-O. While the Jell-O cools slightly, roll up a dish towel and place it in a baking tray or dish. Place the dessert cups partially on the dish towel so that they are at an angle, and pour the Jell-O into the dessert cups. Place the Jell-O in the refrigerator for 40 minutes. Then remove and add the tapioca pearls to the Jell-O. Return this to the fridge for another hour. In the meantime, boil 1 cup of water and in a large measuring cup, dissolve 1 packet of flavorless gelatin. Let this stand until it becomes cool to the touch. As you can see, I got a little impatient and I said 112 was good enough. Once it's cool, whisk in a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Remove the Jell-O tapioca mix from the fridge and pour the gelatin milk mixture over the Jell-O. Once done, place this back into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once the Jell-O has set, serve it with whipped cream. Let's get tasting. As you can see, I added whipped cream to mine. I really like the dramatic line of the blue Jell-O and the sweetened condensed milk. Digging my spoon into the pudding is smooth and not rubbery or difficult at all to get through. This is a nice, cool recipe and a good choice considering the sudden heat rolling in. I'm sure you can make this with any gelatin or even plain gelatin and use food coloring to make it look like the dessert is from the deep, dark ocean. I feel like the sweetened condensed milk needs just a little bit of flavoring, so I might add some coconut extract next time I make this. Overall, this is a really good recipe, and if you make this, leave me a note in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.